Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. This is a great way to manage who can contact you and maintain your privacy. Watch until the end for all the details. When you restrict someone on Messenger, they can only see your public information. They won't be able to send you messages or call you directly. Start by opening the Facebook Messenger app on your smartphone. Locate the person you want to restrict, press and hold their name until a menu with options appears. From the list of options, tap Restrict. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Restrict again to confirm. The contact will immediately be added to your restricted list. Once restricted, this person will no longer be able to directly message or call you on Messenger. You won't see their messages unless you choose to unrestrict them, providing you with more control over who can reach you. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.